Hi, this is Ben Thomas of UST Training, and this is a Tank Savvy Minute. If you have an EVO 550 or 600 by Franklin Fueling Systems and you are doing the 30-day walkthrough inspection at your UST site that is required by law, a print regulatory report feature can help you complete that portion of your 30-day walkthrough, because your tank monitor, as part of your 30-day walkthrough, is going to contain information about leak test results. And so you can see the print regulatory report. I've already hit print. And you can see here we've got a report of 4 different lines. You have lines 1, 2, 3, 4, regular, premium, clear, and diesel. They all have electronic line leak detectors. There are no 3 gallon per hour leak alarms. There are no 0.2 gallon per hour leak alarms, and so your lines pass. In addition, you see information about all the interstitial sensors, and it shows at 2 a.m. this morning there are no interstitial alarms of the tank for the tank as well as the piping. And so we've just done a leak test monthly 30-day walkthrough report form, and the inspector should be happy. This is Ben Thomas with UST Training. This has been a Tank Savvy Minute.